Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oukitel K13 Pro. Start by going into Play Store on both devices, tapping on the search bars and typing in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. When it's ready, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Now finally select Send on an Android and Receive on Oukitel. Then you need to tap on all of those type of dots and click on Send. This way you can choose all of your files and then send them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go into Photos category, select the best one, for example that one, click on Send and tap on Got it. Over here, as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Oukitel, choosing Allow, and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!